welcome back to this video. In some cases, we may mistakenly place order in the wrong way on 1688 Chinese shopping app, and as a result of that, the supplier may ask us to ask for a refund. If you find yourself in this category or you want to ask for a refund for any product you place order for on 1688 Chinese shopping app, consider to stay tuned to this video and see the working process on how you can get your money back instantly from 1688 Chinese supplier. So let's get started. But before we dive into the tutorial, as you know me, my name is Rafi Yakub. I'm an importer and a procurement agent. If you want me to procure link on 1688, Taoba or Pinduoduo or Idlefish, or you want me to pay your Chinese supplier, or you want me to fund your Alipay account, or you want me to teach you more about China importation business, consider to contact me on WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. And don't forget to subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. Very first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up your 1688 Chinese shopping app. After you open up your 1688 Chinese shopping app, click on your profile icon right here. Then it's going to take you right here. Now, next thing you want to do here is to make sure you click on here, because for every product you have placed order for successful, all the product is going to be found right here. Okay, so what you want to do here is to simply click on here to open the items of the product. So it's going to take you right here. So this product here is what I'm going to use as an example. Remember, this product is not yet on transit, and as a result of that, I have already contacted the supplier, and they asked me to go ahead and place a refund for this particular product right here. So let's go. The next thing you want to do right here is to click on here. The next thing you need to do is to click on here. The next thing you want to do is to click on here. And in a few seconds, the refund is going to be successful, just like what you see right here. Next thing you want to do here is to go ahead and confirm the refund successful into your Alipay account. So next thing I'm going to do is to click on here to close this pop-up. Then I'm going to refresh right here, and the product will no longer be here again, just like what you see right here. Next thing I'm going to do is to click on here to go back. Then we have to track the refund progress on our dashboard right here. For that, what you want to do is to click on here. So here you go. You have the refunded completely successful right here. Finally, you can go ahead and check the refund credited back into your Alipay, because for this order, I use Alipay to make payment. So I'm going to exit from here. Then I'll go ahead and open up my Alipay right here. So just like what you see right here in my Alipay, you can see transaction alerts from the top right here, which simply means that I receive a credit alert. For me to confirm, I need to click on here. Then here we go. Next thing I'm going to do is to go to notifications. Just like what you see right here, you can see refund notice of the same amount from that supplier on 1688 Chinese shopping app. It's that simple. This is how to ask for a refund, whether you mistakenly place order on 1688 or supplier refuse to ship your order on 1688 Chinese shopping app. It's that simple. For more tutorial, tips and tricks on how to import from China using 1688 Chinese shopping app, consider to subscribe. And lastly but not the least, if you want me to pay your Chinese supplier, you want me to fund your Alipay account or your WeChat wallet, or you want me to teach you more about China importation business, or you want me to procure your link on 1688, Taoba, Pinduoduo, Idlefish, or any Chinese e-commerce app or website, consider to contact me on WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. And don't forget to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Peace.